One last file before we close this chapter is the remove.php. So if we go to admin pages, zone, codes, remove.php file, if we start with the opening PHP tag and we check if object shipping remove post code, and we pass in the code ID as the parameter. Else, if it wasn't successful, we throw new exception saying record could not be removed. But if it was removed successfully, then we go for the replace array, and we go for the post codes equals object shipping get post codes by zone ID, then replace. We're replacing everything inside of the post code list div equals plugin get admin directory separator post hyphen code, then array, and we're passing rows as post codes, and then we have object URL as this object URL. Now that we have this replacement ready, echo helper JSON array. The first is error, indicating that it's false, and then replace. If we now save and close this file, before we close, let's copy this remove postcode method name. If we close this file, go back to our shipping class and create this method. So public function remove postcode ID as the argument. We go if is an empty ID, otherwise return false. Then we go SQL delete from this table for where ID equals int val ID, and return this db query SQL. So if we now save it and open our browser, we have this ZZ record add. If we click on remove and on yes, you can see nothing's happening. Let's open the Fireback and see what actually happens here. If I click on yes again, we get obviously zone action codes ID 2. Obviously there's something wrong with the URL which we are calling. First of all, we haven't got a call parameter here, obviously, and second of all, we're missing CID, which was basically the one for to indicate the ID of the postcode, because this ID here indicates the ID of the zone, obviously. So let's look at this in the next video.